Welcome to the Resogra Vendor Academy. A flash sale is one of the fastest ways to bring in orders. You lower your price for a short time, tell your shoppers, and let the countdown do the work. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to run a 48-hour flash sale from start to finish, drop your price, send a bilingual announcement, and then watch the results roll in. Start on the product you want to put on sale, and open its edit page. Find the price field and lower it to your sale price. Because it's only for 48 hours, you can afford to go a little lower than usual, and that discount is what pulls people in. Your storefront shows the new, lower price right away. Now let's tell your shoppers. Open vendor email marketing and start a new campaign. Write your subject line in English first and put the deadline right in it, for example, 48 hours only, 20% off. A clear deadline is what makes a flash sale work. Resogra sends every campaign in both languages, so write the same subject in French right below. Now every shopper reads it in the language they're most comfortable with, and no one misses the deal. Write your message. Keep it short and clear: what's on sale, how big the discount is, and when it ends. The French version sits just underneath, so fill that in too. Add your store link as the button, so one tap takes them straight to your shop. Choose who receives it: your followers, your past customers, or everyone. Then save it as a draft, give it one last read, and send. Your announcement lands in their inbox, and the 48-hour clock starts ticking. While the sale runs, open your dashboard and watch your orders and revenue climb here, in real time. When the 48 hours are up, put your price back, and you've run a complete flash sale from start to finish. And that's a 48-hour flash sale. Lower your price, send a clear bilingual announcement with a deadline, and track the results on your dashboard. Short, simple, and it works. Thanks for watching, and visit resogra.com for more free vendor tutorials.